In this section, we're going to create a WDSL file. I'm currently logged into my development sandbox, and I used my regular logon that I did. I'm in the Lightning Experience, and to create a WDSL file, which is the definition of the underlying objects to Salesforce, I can go to the setup here with a little gear, click on setup, and it opens up another tab. And then I can type in the quick find box API. Don't hit return, I haven't done anything. And you'll see it comes up with a list of things that I can choose from. I'm going to click under integrations. And it takes me to another window on the right hand side, which shows me the WDSL files that I can create. I'm going to generate the enterprise WDSL. And it takes me and shows me what the latest packages are. I'm going to use the current set, so I click on generate. It opens a new window which flashes some kind of scary stuff. Don't worry about that. And then it generates a document tree, which we'll see in just a second, which contains a description of all the objects in Salesforce for your installation. Now I need this file because DataBridger needs this file. So I'm going to actually just save the web page. I can do Control S. And it says, okay, well, where would you like to put it? I'll put it over here. And I'm going to call it something snappy like if I could just type my Salesforce WDSL. And then click Save. And it took the contents of what was here, and you can see actually created it. That's all there is to it in Enterprise.